Look who's back for more side hustle secrets. Are you tired of hearing about the same old side hustles like dog walking or selling lemonade on the corner? Well, fear not, my friend, because I have scoured the depths of the internet to bring you 4 side hustles that are so hot,
Yeah, boy.
they might just make you sweat with excitement. And let me tell you, these side hustles are so lucrative, you'll be rolling in dough like a fancy bakery. So grab a notebook and a pen, because you're about to learn about side hustles that will make you more money than your ex's last pyramid scheme. Let's dive in. Now, before you dive into these juicy side hustles, I have to ask a little favor. If you find any of the information in this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button so I know I'm not just talking to myself. And if you really want to make my day, share this video with your friends and family so they can join in on the side hustle fun. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content like this. 1. How to start a lucrative side hustle. Cash in on the high demand for garbage can pressure washing services. Do you know that on average, each person generates almost 5 pounds of trash a day? And while you might think that once you've taken your trash out, the job is done, there's actually more to it. There's the gunk and smelly garbage juice left behind that can attract all sorts of pests like ants, rats, and even possums. They can make their way into your home. But fear not, because here's an opportunity for you to lend a helping hand and make some extra cash at the same time. Believe it or not, many people are willing to pay top dollar for a monthly garbage can pressure washing service. I was surprised too, but someone recently left a leaflet at my door advertising this service, and the demand for it seems to be high. In fact, one person on Nextdoor raved about a mobile garbage can cleaning service that they had discovered and wished they had known about it sooner. The best part is that starting this side hustle is both easy and inexpensive. All you need is a pressure washer, but you don't have to splurge on a commercial grade model that costs hundreds or thousands of dollars. A battery-operated pressure washer that costs between $70 and $150 can do the trick. Before you start pressure washing, use a soap attachment to apply soap to the garbage cans. You can use Dawn dish soap diluted with water or any other solution that you prefer. And you can also use an inexpensive sprayer to apply the soap. To spread the word about your new business, you can advertise for free on local Facebook groups, Craigslist, or sites like Nextdoor. But if you want to attract even more customers, consider creating door-hanging posters. They are easy and cheap to make, and you can order them in bulk from places like Vistaprint. With only $11.50, you can get 1,000 door hangers. If you're just starting out, you can get 50 for roughly 80 cents each. Now, let's talk about the potential profits. Some people charge $65 for a single garbage can cleaning and $35 for monthly services, with an additional $10 for each extra trash can. That's a total of $1,100 or more per day if you clean 32 cans in 8 hours. Not bad for a few hours' work, right?
Not bad, not bad.
So, if you're looking for a side hustle that requires little investment and no special skills and has a large potential customer base, then this might be the perfect opportunity for you. All you need to get started is a pressure washer and some advertising materials, which won't cost you more than $300. And if you decide to give this a try and start earning good money, be sure to let us know in the comment box below. 2. Etsy. When I started my YouTube channel a few years ago, I wanted to find a way to supplement my income. So I decided to try my hand at selling art on Etsy. I found some beautiful canvas paintings that were stock market themed. Featured a bull and a bear navigating the ups and downs of the market. They were priced at around $200 each, but I thought they were worth the investment. As I began to research the process of selling art on Etsy, I discovered that there are actually many ways to create and sell art without being a professional artist. For example, you can use print-on-demand services like Printify to outsource the printing and shipping of your designs, which makes it much easier to get started. If you don't have any design skills, don't worry, there are still plenty of options available. One popular trend on Instagram and other social media platforms right now is motivational canvas prints. These are simple designs with encouraging messages or power words, which are often accompanied by a definition or explanation of the term. You can create your own designs using free images from sites like Unsplash, and then use a tool like Photoshop to turn them into impressionist artwork, pop art, or any other style you like. Once you've created your designs, you can upload them to Printify and start selling them on Etsy. You'll be responsible for marketing and customer service, but the printing and shipping will be taken care of by the print-on-demand service. It's a great way to create a side hustle or even a full-time business without having to invest a lot of money up front. And if you're interested in investing your profits, I highly recommend checking out Webull. They're currently offering 12 free stocks to new users who sign up and make a deposit of just 1 penny. That's right, free money just for signing up. With a little creativity and some hard work, you could turn your side hustle into a thriving business and use the profits to invest in your future. 3. Video review creation. Of all the side hustles I've ever heard of, this one takes the cake. I had to give a big shout out to my friend Faithful for opening my eyes to this opportunity because it just might be the easiest and most profitable way to make money online. Here's the deal. Every time you consider buying something on Amazon, there's a good chance you'll check out the customer reviews and maybe even watch a video review of the product. What most people don't realize is that the people who make these video reviews actually get paid for them. It's true. If a viewer watches at least 30 seconds of the video and then clicks over to Amazon to buy the product, the video's creator gets a commission. And since only a tiny fraction of customers actually leave reviews, there's very little competition in this space. So just imagine, you make a video review of a product that doesn't have many or any reviews yet, and then thousands of people watch your video and end up buying the product. Even though Amazon only pays 2% commission on electronic purchases, it can add up fast. In fact, you could potentially make tens of thousands of dollars from just one product. And here's the best part. You don't need fancy equipment or professional editing skills. Most video creators are just using their smartphones to make their reviews. So all you need is a product to review, a smartphone, and a little bit of time. So the next time you're browsing Amazon and you come across a product that doesn't have many reviews yet, consider making a video review of it. You might be surprised at just how much money you can make with this simple and fun side hustle. 4. Making money with AliExpress. How to find and sell top-selling products on Etsy and Amazon. Have you ever heard of AliExpress? It's a Chinese e-commerce platform that allows sellers to purchase goods at deep discounts and then resell them on marketplaces like Amazon and Etsy for a profit. I recently had a conversation with someone who made 6 figures with an Etsy store by using this very method. She found a product on AliExpress, bought a lot of it, and then sold it on Etsy for a lot more than she paid for it. And the craziest part? It only took her 6 months to accomplish all of this. But how do you find these top-selling items on AliExpress? One strategy is to choose between Etsy and Amazon for your online store and look into what people are purchasing on the platform in question. For example, you can easily check out the best-selling items in each category on a site like Amazon to find out what people are buying in large quantities. You can also sell any one of the thousands of products that meet the criteria for a bestseller. To find out what's successful and what's not, you just have to browse through the various sections and sort through dozens of things. It is easy to discern what's doing well by looking at the number of reviews each item has, as well as examining Google Trends for the product. So there you have it, folks. With these tips and strategies, you're now armed with the knowledge to find a winning product on AliExpress and start your own successful business on Etsy or Amazon. So go ahead, take action, and don't be afraid to fail. Remember, the road to success is often paved with failures, so keep pushing and learning from your mistakes. And if you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.